The 4-step method to high performance trading is about bulletproofing your daily routines, your executions, your skill set, your mindset, and your beliefs to execute your edge trading in live time. The 7-step daily routine for high performance traders is about developing daily routines and processes, building your headspace, your belief system, your mindset, and your daily habits to bulletproof yourself to master the markets. It's a free audio program. The links are in the description box below. They're both free downloads. Let's get started. Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, Mindset Reset technical video, Wednesday, day 3, 2 types of opportunities on a day 3. Timings, levels, behavior of price, behavior of the trader. Whether traders like it or not, markets only do 3 things. They only do 3 things over and over and over again. The problem is that traders do all kinds of things. Every day, lots of traders do lots of things, but the markets still only do 3 things. We have a 2-part FOMC release today and a little mindset reset to reinforce to traders to be very, very careful if you're going to be diddling today, interdiddle trading. Be very, very careful. We have markets that are at extremes. We have simple rinse and repeat opportunities that have already occurred in Asia and London, day 3 trade setups. But a 2-part FOMC release, be very careful about diddling and deviating from a 90-10 playbook trading setup plan. And each week we have day 1, day 2, day 3 on the front side of the week. Everything starts from Friday's closing price as the reference. We start a new range, a new week, an opening range that creates a new high-low. Tuesday, day 2 typically expands the range. We make a bigger box. We can expand the range even more on a Wednesday, day 3 blowing off or expanding the range again. We can have multiple days of breakouts continuing. Multiple days of breakouts continuing. We can have markets going into consolidation, giving us signal days. Beginning of a new week, new timing cycle. We can have inside days. We went over this yesterday, the previous day, and almost every single video. Because why? Markets only do 3 things. Now we're at the midpoint range of the week. The midpoint range of the week. Why is it the midpoint? Because that's the middle of our week. In terms of price and time, there's an open, a high-low, and a closing range of the week. And in between the open and the close, I'm looking for 2 to 3 scalable parabolic opportunities in the New York session, whether they're nail and bail. And what nail and bail it means is that I'm going to lock in the money at a level and walk away, because that's what the market's offering me on that day, an A+. Or I'm going to preset a level, a daily range, an A++, because that's what the market's offering on a day. Or we can get an all-in monkey hammer, A++. Now let's take a look at these charts. Multiple days of breakouts. Markets only do 3 things. They break out, they pull back, they continue to trend. And we can still have an explosive reversal. These are shorting situations. We can have markets in multiple days of breakouts, pulling back, consolidating, breaking out again, and failing. We can have multiple days of breakouts and still have a session nail and bail. We've gone over several pairs this week already, but we'll just review a couple of simple things, understanding the daily time frame and the new timing cycle, a new month, and higher time frame levels. Signal days, new weeks, new timing cycle. We can look at any market. They're all the same. Markets only do 3 things. They break out, they continue to trend, they break out, they reverse and fail, or they stay in a higher time frame trading range. Now we have U.S. indexes continuing to break out. Remember, we're at Wednesday, the midpoint range of the week. So just blindly trying to catch highs, catch lows can put traders into situations where there's low edge, and they can do damage not only to their financial capital, but to their psychological capital. But pay particular attention to this breakout that we see right here. So we're on the front side of the week still. Wednesday's the midpoint range. We still have the back side of the week, and traders from the ACB Masterclass will patiently wait on their hands to build their watch list at the close of the markets today. Remembering one common theme, 2 to 3 parabolic scalable opportunities a week can significantly compound your account. Trying to catch highs, catch lows, catch soups, gaps, sweeps, hunts, runs can put traders on tilt. You either have a setup or you don't. There are only two setups, whether it's a V-bottom buy low setup, an A-top sell high setup, a dump coil and pump, or a pump coil and dump, whether it's a trend trade or a reversal trade setup. All markets do the same three things. There are signal days, there are signals on the day, depending on the session that you're trading, timings, levels, behavior of price. Simple, repeatable, and scalable. Markets only do three things. We talk about major round numbers. We talk about levels of rise and fall on currency pairs, metals, indexes, and energies. And if you understand the weekly templates and signal days, day 1, day 2, day 3, two types of setups, reversal or trend trades. And again, there are only two setups, dump, coil, and pump. Which session gets that setup? Now, markets give signals. If traders don't build their watch list, then they're not going to recognize the opportunity in this session that they're trading. They're going to be looking for trades. If markets only do three things, that breakout succeeds or it fails. What setup is that market offering? A buy low, a sell high, or no setup at all? Same things happen again, and again. Pump coil and dump, or dump coil and pump. New week, new timing cycle. We have signal days, markets that opening range. Day 2 typically expands the range. We have signal days. We have timings, levels, behavior of price, and whether or not that opportunity presents in that trader's timing window. Two blue lines, we can see markets offering traders explosive, parabolic, trend trade or reversal trade opportunities. Wednesday, day 3. Timings, levels, behavior of price, entry, stop loss, and a take profit level. Keeping everything simple, repeatable, and scalable. Every week the same things happen again, and again. We did a video on the exact same thing last week, Wednesday, day 3. Signal days, looking at major pairs, and then also the cross rates to see which instrument may be offering you the best setup. Wednesday, day 3, two types of trades, but also understanding the bigger picture. Markets only do three things, and when they break out, they either continue to stay in breakout, or those breakouts fail and reverse. And those markets give us signal days on the higher time frames. Training your eyes to move horizontally at the levels. And does that instrument set up into our timing window? Traders from the master class will recognize that you can only trade in one direction. All time frames are driving the move. Wednesday, day 3, blowing off in the direction of the trend. Easy, free cash. Now, this is just a mindset reset to reinforce the traders keeping everything simple. There are only two setups, buy setup or a sell setup. Or number 3, a science project with zero edge, and traders are just looking for a trade. If I don't have that opportunity, I don't go looking for trades. Bill Lipschutz quote, if most traders would learn to sit on their hands 50% of the time, they would make a lot more money. Now, traders can do whatever they want. There's only two setups, sell setup, buy setup, whether it's a reversal setup or a trend trade setup. I'm targeting opportunities that will go level to level, any instrument. Simple weekly templates that repeat again, and again on any instrument. And is it an A+, an A++, or an A++ opportunity? If I don't get my setup, I'm not interested in trading. I'm not looking for trades. 90-10 or nothing at all. Daily signal, timings, levels, behavior of price. If I don't get my setup, I'm not going looking for trades. Daily signal, signals on the day, timings, levels, behavior of price. So coming back to the start of the video, traders, stick to rinse and repeat. Daily signal, setup, timings, levels, behavior of price. Do I have my setup in my timing window? Yes, no. Yes, execute the trade. No. Look at the next instrument on your watch list if you've built a watch list. If that instrument is not offering you the setup that you're hunting, have the discipline to walk away and build your watch list at the close of Wednesday for the potential ACB trade setup opportunities on the backside of the week. Keep it a simple, pleasurable, highly profitable pursuit of pleasure. Don't go looking for trades. Execute, rinse, and repeat winning playbook trading setups. Have a great day, traders. Keep it simple and stick to the winning plan. And may the markets go with you.